Alright guys, welcome back to another video. Today we'll go over I Am a Warrior by Marvia Providence. We're gonna go over it from start to finish. So make sure you watch the whole video if you want to learn it. We're in the key of E flat, okay? We're in the key of E flat. So it goes to Do, To, La, Si, So, Fa, Fa, Do. Let's play that part again. La, Si, So, Fa, Fa, Do, So, Re, Do, Do, Fa, So, Do, Do, Do. Re, Do, Do, Fa, So, Do, Do, Do. And the progression for this song is Do, Re, Fa, Re, So, Do. Okay? For Do, we'll play Do, So, Do. Just remember the shape, okay? This shape right here. Remember the shape. Do, So, Do. Do, So, Do. Re, La, Re. Re, La, Re. Fa, Re, Re. So, Do, So, Re, So. Do, So, Do. Alright, that's the whole song. Let's go. Fa, Re. So, Do. 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 Re. Re. Fa, Re. So. Do. Do. Do, So, Do. Do, So, Do. Re, La, Re. Re, La, Re. Fa, Re, Re. So, Re, So. Do, So, Do. Do, So, Do. Do, So, Do. Do, So, Do. Re, La, Re. Re, La, Re. Fa, Re, Re. So, La. Do, So, Do. Do, So, Do. Now we're gonna go to this part, okay? When they say, I am a warrior. We'll come here. I am a warrior. Okay? Do, So, Do. I am a warrior. They come to this one right here. Do, To, La, Do, Re. I am a warrior. Do, To, La, Do, Re. I am a warrior. Do, To, La, Do, Re. I am a warrior. Do, To, La, Do, Re. Okay? From here, it goes directly into Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi, Fa, Re, So. Okay, let's do that part again. I think I made a mistake. I am a warrior. Do, To, La, Do, Re, La, Re. Re, Mi, Fa, Mi, Re. Fa, Re, So. So, Re, So, Do. Let's take it again. Woo! Let's go. Do, So, Do. Do, To, La, Do, Re, La, Re. Re, Mi, Fa, Re, Mi. Fa, Re, So. So, Do, Re, So. Do, So, Do.